तो आज हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपको रीड कराएंगे। आज हमारे पास नेक्स्ट लेक्चर है, इसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है आपका हिस्टीरियस। The real discussing by ferromagnetic material is not that it can be the strongly magnetized, but that the intensity of magnetism is M. Is the most of the directly proportional to magnetic field. If a gradually increasing the magnetic field H is applied to the unmagnetized piece of iron, it is the magnetization increase non-linearly until the reaches a maximum if the M is plotted by against H. A curve line OA is obtained. This is the curve known as a magnetization. यहाँ ये कह रहा है कि हमारे पास जो OA है ये वाली, ये मैग्नेटाइजेशन है। ये मैग्नेटाइजेशन है कर्व। At this state will be all the dipole Algins M has a reached to the maximum or saturated value. It is often more convenient to the plot B than M. With the difference of the often the capsule by the factor of the B is equal to mu H plus M. तो ये बन गया आपका B is equal to mu नॉट और H प्लस M के साथ, B is equal to mu naught H plus M के साथ, and M is usually the greater than H. जबकि हम देख रहे हैं कि M जो है ऑलवेज ग्रेटर है H से, M ग्रेटर है H से। तो दिस इज नाउ द रिटर्न along the magnetization of the curve along the path AB, along the path AB, और AB पर आपका H 0 है और B और M डज नॉट कम टू 0। और यहां पर वो कह रहा है कि इस लाइन पर आपका H की वैल्यू 0 है but B can never be 0 or M can never be 0. B not can 0. This is the value of M at this point is now as a remnant magnetization or rentivity. The value of B at this point is now as the residual induction. The rentivity gives the state of permanent magnetization of the specimen. On applying the reverse field, the value M fall and finally become to 0. The OC is the value of A is the M is 0. M is magnetization is 0. OC represent the reverse magnetic field needed demagnetizes specimen. This is now the corrosivity of the material. If the graph is between the B and H, then it must be noted the numerical value of H, B is equal to 0 is not corrosivity. And B is equal to 0, M is equal to minus H. This is the value of M is left is positive. If the reverse field features the increase in reverse magnetization is set up which quickly reach the institution value, this is so the CD. If H is not taken back from the negative situation of the DA, rest the whole graph A, B, C, D, E, F, A, thus the on a closed loop. Usually now is a hysteresis loop. The whole process of the describe the property of the iron characterized as called is a hysteresis. Hysteresis name for the lag of the magnetization behind the magnetizing field. मैग्नेटाइजिंग फील्ड. अब सेकेंड टॉपिक है डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन. तो डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन को अगर हम देखते हैं, इसका भी ऐसा ही है. तो डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन में ये आपका ग्राफ है. ये और ये M को शो कर रहा है मैग्नेटाइजेशन, और ये इंटेंसिटी ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को. तो ये कह रहा है कि इट इज क्लियर दैट द हिस्टेरियस लूप दैट द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ मैग्नेटाइजेशन डज नॉट रिड्यूस टू 0 ऑन रिमूविंग द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड H. M is 0 when the magnetizing field H is equal to corrosive forces. At these points the magnetic induction is not 0 and the specimen is not demagnetized. To demagnetize a substance, it is subjected to several cycles of magnetization, each time with decreasing magnetizing field, and finally the field is reduced to 0. In this way, the size of the hysteresis curve does on the decreasing and the area finally reduced to 0. Demagnetization is best obtained by the placing the specimen in an alternating field of continuously diminishing amplitude. It is also obtained by heating ferromagnetic material, becoming practically non-magnetic at sufficiently high temperature. Blasting method of the BH curve. The BH curve of a specimen can be obtained by a ballistic galvanometer method. In this method, the specimen is taken into the form of a ring, now as a anchor of ring. A magnetizing coil is wound closely round the specimen ring, forming the primary P of the endless solenoid. The coil is connected through a reversing key. So be the value of a circuit containing a battery and ammeter a rheostat R1 and resistor R dash. The resistance R can be removed from the circuit by pressing the key over a small part of the primary of the solenoid. A secondary coil S of the few turns is bounded with the connected in series with ballistic galvanometer variable with the resistance R2. As K2 the secondary coils of these as extending the coil solenoid of the point P, define the primary and secondary coils. The hysteresis is equal to H is equal to N1 IL. H 1 इज इक्वल टू एन आई अपॉन एल के साथ, और हम इसे एन आई भी कह सकते हैं। तो यहाँ ये सब बताया गया है और इसको आप अच्छी तरह से लर्न कर लीजिएगा। इसमें इतना ही आज के लिए।